I tell you what, it's setup day, the day before the Guilty by Association truck show. And Mother Nature, she threw us a big curveball today. Pouring rain, 8 or 9 hours straight. But you know what? Everybody's spirits are high. Looking forward to tomorrow. We're going to get this thing put together, get trucks parked. People will start rolling in here. Looking forward to the concerts, everything else that's going on. 4 State Trucks, Chrome Shop Mafia is the place to be. Come and see us.
Freckle-faced boy, just 8 years old, standing in the front lawn, had my 6 guns on. I was all decked out, looking like a little John Wayne. Today's a big day, Daddy said last night. Well, we're going downtown 'cause the prices are right. Gonna buy a new Ford, man, I could hardly wait. I couldn't believe my eyes when they pulled up in the drive. Where's the smokestack? Where's the gun rack? There ain't any room for the mud flags. You don't understand, Mama, what you're doing to me. Where's the trailer hitch? Where's the tow winch? Well, how we gonna get out if we're stuck in a ditch? This just ain't working out the way I planned. 'Cause Mama, cowboys don't drive minivans. Homecoming night, 17 years old, barrel out the front door, slam the gas to the floor. I was all fired up, Jenny Lee Tucker by my side. Sure enough, we drive in, Tommy John's out front in his tricked out truck, and I'm thinking, dang man, that should have been me. But much to my surprise, you should have seen her eyes when she seen the smokestack and the gun rack. Just look at the size of those mud flags. You don't understand, Tommy, what you're doing to me. Got the trailer hitch and the tow winch. Well, you can get out if you're stuck in a ditch. She said, this just ain't working out, son, the way I planned. 'Cause honey, cowboys don't drive minivans. Oh no. 10 years later, just cruising through town, thought I'd take a little trip through the old stomping grounds. Man, how things change as the years fly by. Well, you never guess who I bumped into at the grocery store down on 14th and Main. It's old Tommy John, with Jenny Lee still by his side. Well, looks like you're doing fine. Hey, that's a mighty nice ride you got there. You went with the hatchback, got the luggage rack. There's plenty of room for your grocery sacks. Hey, third row seat, now that's soccer mom style. You got the 5 doors and the running boards. It's everything a man could ask for. I'm glad it all worked out the way you planned. But buddy, cowboys don't drive minivans. Oh, by the way, I got the smokestack and the gun rack. Just check out the girls on my mud flats. I'm running with the class now, cowboy Cadillac style. 'Cause this cowboy don't drive minivans.